Dear partners and colleagues, good morning. In the next 20 minutes, I wish to share with all of you how Advantech will realize our mission of co-creating the future of the IoT world in year 2000 and beyond. Let's start and look at the overall value chain and the market share of the industrial AIoT market. The traditional hardware business of embedded computing and the edge device plus sensors take 25% of overall AIoT market. Then communication device including wired, wireless, cellular, and the switches take another 10%. Common software platform, that is our WhiteSparks position, occupy another 10%. The rest and the biggest part of 55% will belong to domain solutions and the industrial apps. That means belong to our customers, the solution integrators. In Advantech, we call edge hardware plus communication. The 25% plus 10%, we call it phase one business. It's our internal term, phase one business, the hardware. Then the WhiteSparks software part is called phase two. Phase one plus phase two will be Advantech's core business. Then the 55% big domain solution part we call phase three, which Advantech will not directly cover, but will penetrate this part through partner with our partner and the co-creation and the joint venture program. My presentation today will mostly focus on part 2 and part 3, means more the software and solution part. Talking about the phase 2 and the phase 3, this business is still at early stage. There are several steps of obstacles and the breakthroughs to be overcome. Today, we already create the WhiteSparks platform. We call it stage 1.0. Now, we need to overcome the obstacle of industrial app or industrial app decoupling to come to stage 2.0. The next breakthrough will be cross-platform sharing. Cross-platform sharing means the app should be also can apply to other platforms. Okay? Then we can come to, that means cross-platform sharing means stage 3.0. After that, we can enable the big growth of explosive domain innovations. That means the real growth of AIoT in the future. We believe that it will take the future 4 to 5 years to reach the stage of 4.0. Then we can all enjoy the booming AIoT business for everybody in this room. I wish to explain the key concept of software decoupling. Software decoupling is a really important concept to be fully realized by everybody. Let's explain with the scenario of Apple smartphone. When Steve Jobs invented Apple smartphone 12 years ago, the key difference of Apple smartphone from the Nokia future phone is Apple smartphone did decouple the software apps from platform. It's separate. With the decoupling, everyone can make apps for smartphone, and all the apps can be easily downloaded and integrated by user. This app decoupling model created the big revolution and changed the world. Then in the industrial world, the decoupling also happened. But right now, many in single vendor, single site application. The big company, Komatsu, is a leading construction machine maker. They provide in-vehicle computer. Actually, Advantech is the provider, plus SaaS software to help their customer do the construction job better, easier, and smarter. So that is a kind of decoupling. In Advantech WhiteSparks case, our new Marketplace 2.0 can decouple IAPs and the edge SRPs from the platform and solutions. I believe this decoupling will create big breakthrough to the AIoT market. I will explain how it works later. The key contribution of WhiteSparks can also be the cloud-based data-driven digital transformation. To advance digital transformation, it's a must to move the traditional way. This side, the traditional way is internal process-driven, step-by-step, IT and automation silos. That's the previous model of digitalization. Then we need to, the new model will move to the other side, the cloud-based, data-driven AIoT solution. The data is in the cloud. We have the path, then all the decoupled IAP and edge APP together, then the solution. Different way. Please note the big difference. This is a big difference Advantech WhiteSparks will enable. Therefore, we decide to change the slogan of WhiteSparks to AIoT Solutions in the Marketplace. In 2020, WhiteSparks will come with Marketplace 2.0 to offer decoupled and integratable IAPs, open marketplace for eco-partner co-creation, and domain categorized solution sharing. This is the new landing page of WhiteSparks Marketplace 2.0. If you select an industrial domain from the menu, you will come to a domain-focused app list for easy selection, just like the App Store of your mobile phone. It includes WhiteSparks common apps, industrial apps, and the domain apps for your selection. Those apps may come from Advantech in-house design or third-party developers and domain integrators. WhiteSparks Marketplace 2.0 is an open market for the whole AIoT ecosystem. This is the IAP portfolio we will announce in early 2020. You can see from the bottom, edge SRPs means the software and hardware integration at the edge. Common apps, industrial apps, and the domain-focused apps, including the third party. For vertical domain apps, different color icon represent different domains. For example, smart factory, energy and environment, ICT service, iRetail, and iHospital. With this decoupled and open market WhiteSparks, worldwide domain-focused solution integrators, the DFSIs, can easily put together an AIoT solution like this chart. It's the whole solution with from edge to the cloud and the solution. This will deliver big value for customers. WhiteSparks Device Arm is a key part of WhiteSparks. It is the contribution of embedded group to the big family of WhiteSparks. We are actively working on the decoupling of DeviceOn. In 2020, we will grow DeviceOn to a bigger family of development software tools plus ready-to-use apps for our embedded platforms. So under WhiteSparks Marketplace 2.0, the DeviceOn web page shows a family of function modules for developers' easy selection. DeviceOn will be the strong differentiator for Advantech embedded products from the hardware-only competitors. Through Marketplace 2.0, all IApp developers can sell their IApp products to the worldwide market through the ecosystem of worldwide domain-focused SIs and the value-added resellers. So it will become an open marketplace to enable the digital transformation of various industrial domains. All the IApps will be priced by Advantech with a currency called Whitepoint. One Whitepoint costs $10. This is a transferable price from Advantech. And all our partners and sales team can sell Whitepoint to the solution integrators with markup, together with our hardware. In 2019, this year, we already sold 260K Whitepoints with about 60 available IApps. In 2020, next year, the number may grow to 500K points and 100 IApps. By 2025, 6 years later, we believe the number can grow to 5 million Whitepoint with more than 1,000 IApps available in the marketplace. So WhiteSparks will be the sharing core of the whole AIoT ecosystem. It will drive the AIoT growth. Under the Phase 2 and the Phase 3 business plan, by 2025, 6 years later, we see the potential to win 1,000 plus VIP members of WhiteSparks. We will collect 1,000 plus IApps for the family and engage with 50 plus co-creation joint venture partners worldwide. So Advantech's profit zone. Today, we are more in the Phase 1 hardware business and also our partner. Then, in the future, Advantech profit zone and also our partner may extend from the current Phase 1 hardware mainly business model to Phase 2 software plus hardware, and also share the biggest value of Phase 3, the solution integration, through the co-creation and joint venture program with DFSI. So let's work together in the coming year to reach this challenge. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.